Do you want to speak English confidently? Don't you? Yes, we all do. जब हम किसी को अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलते हुए सुनते हैं तो वी थिंक काश मैं भी ऐसी अंग्रेजी बोल पाता या बोल पाती. Guys, it's not a big issue, it's not a big deal. We all can. So here I'm going to talk about how we can build our confidence or boost our confidence while we are speaking in English. Well, guys, confidence is an attribute which enhances our personality. We feel good when we are confident. जब हम किसी इंटरव्यू में होते हैं, जब हम कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे होते हैं, when we are conducting a meeting or when we are in a conference, we all want to be confident and we all want to feel good. And that confidence help you to overcome all the fears or all the jitters of interview or presentation, whichever position you are in. So guys, today I'm going to talk about 4 important tips to boost your confidence or build your confidence while speaking or while communicating with others. All my tips are very important, but don't miss the last one. Okay, let's get started. The first and foremost important tip is don't hesitate. I have already spoken about break the barrier. We all have this in our head कि यार ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. It's very difficult and we all hesitate. हम वहीं पर रुक जाते हैं. We say कि पता नहीं कैसे होगा, मैं नहीं बोल पाऊँगा या नहीं बोल पाऊँगी. No, you can. So break that barrier and start speaking. Okay, speak your heart out. Whatever is there, you just speak. So when you'll start speaking, you'll get used to with speaking in English or speaking that language. And this will help you to boost your confidence or build your confidence. Number 2. The second one is, we all think अरे यार अगर मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में, मेरी तो बहुत हंसेंगे मेरे ऊपर. सो वी ऑल थिंक अबाउट अदर्स परसेप्शन. वी थिंक के लोग क्या सोचेंगे. नेवर डू दिस. नेवर थिंक अबाउट अदर्स. You have to do it and you should do it. So that is why you have to be confident and you have to never think about anybody else except you. You have to do it. Just start and complete that task. Start speaking. Okay? Don't think about others. Tip number 3 is attitude. Guys, attitude is very important. If you feel that you can do it, then definitely you can do it. So that is the attitude which you have to wear or you have to focus on. You never give up. Don't give up. So always think that you can do it. Start right now. Start right away and definitely you're going to achieve that. So that is another way where you can which can build your confidence and take your speech to another level. Tip number 4. I am not perfect. This is very important, guys. We all want to be perfect in the first go. This is not possible. हम perfect होंगे बाकी चीज़ों में, पर हर चीज़ में हम perfect नहीं हो सकते हैं. We have to put in efforts. We have to put in time to be perfect. We have to again and again work on it to be perfect. So don't think about that when you will be perfect then only you will start speaking. No, start speaking right now. Okay, every single day when you feel that you are not perfect, you will keep on improving, and trust me, at the end of the day you will feel that okay, you have reached from a scale of 1 to 5, then 10, then more. So you have to practice. You have to keep on building this attitude of like I am not perfect. Okay, so these 4 tips are very important, guys, and this will definitely help you to improve your communication or boost your confidence and improve your communication skills while you're in a meeting or a presentation or an interview or anywhere else where you are the focus. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.